Welcome to Southwest Michigan Chiropractic. We're coordinating efforts with Peaceful Rivers Massage Therapy. Come on in and take a tour of our business. We have 8 massage therapists, all different levels of deep tissue, soft tissue, relaxing, hot stone therapy, as well as cupping. When you visit us, you'll come in and check in at the front desk with Michelle. I've been in practice for 15 years, graduating from both Life University and Sherman College of Chiropractic. We specialize in sports injuries as well as family care from birth on up to 106 is our oldest patient. I utilize a gentle technique with high speed, low force, Thompson, Pierce, toggle, extremity adjusting, as well as a little bit of activator. Come next door with me and I'll show you a little of our extra therapies that we do. We've currently just added the MyGun therapy, which focuses on chronic pain, fibromyalgia, arthritis, sports injuries. I'll show you that in action.
This feels great.
We also utilize some of the other therapies as well as cold laser and ultrasound. You can check out our website at southwestmichiganchiropractic.com or come visit us at 72 North Main, 3 Rivers, Michigan. Thank you.